In this video, we will see how you can add a user to your Cloud Entitlements Manager. In the main navigation pane, go to Setup and then to User Management. Go to the top right of the screen and select Add. You can add a new user as either an admin or a user. An admin will have control on the instance, and a user will only get read writes. Next, you will need to enter the contact details for the new user. These details can be changed later. Once completed, press Add User. The new user will receive an email with the sign-in link. The process is similar to the one you used to activate your own account. Now, the new user has been added. By selecting a user, you can get all the contact details as well as edit them. You can also edit the authentication method available to the user. By clicking on the three dots next to a user, you can disable the user, resend the invite, edit the user settings, or delete the user. You have now successfully added and updated a user. To learn more, check out our CyberArk docs via the link shown here.